Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have an 888 lots box of, it says, office products. So I spent $84 on this particular box and that's fully shipped to me. So I ordered this in a lot of 4 separate office boxes. And so we're going to see what's inside of this. We're going to look at everything and stay tuned to the end of the video because we will price everything. And if you want something, you can contact us. But 888 Lots is where I got this. If you'd like to order from them as well, the link is down in the description. And if you don't live in the United States, I do have international sister companies listed in the description as well.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
All right, let's break into this box. So I always do, this is also new product. That's the condition it's in. So we'll see how new is new. Hey, you want some paper clips? I've got 3 right here. All right, some padding on top. What is this? This is box of 100 8.5 by 5.5 sheet protectors. Another paper clip. I think we're going to find a paper clip on every level. All right, then how many paper clips are we going to find in this box? We're at 4.
50.
No, wait, we're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Paul says 50. How many do you guess? We'll see who gets the closest. Okay, he says 50. I'm going to say 22. We'll see who gets closest. Premium toner cartridge. So these are kind of hit or miss. Sometimes they're worth a lot. Sometimes they're worth kind of nothing. So then we've got, this is a cardstock pack, purple. 50 sheets of purple. And it's different shades of purple, if you can see that. I think it shows it on the front too. So we got purple cardstock. Oh, we got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 paper clips. We're at 17. Composition book. These always come in handy. Easy Weed heat transfer paper. Canvas value pack. So this is a canvas set of 9 by 12s.
Those always sell well.
Yep, 5-pack. And then we've got, oh, this is a,
They're verse cards.
yeah, Bible verse stickers.
That's neat.
Those are really cool. Look how many papers are in there. Oh, wait. I think we're at 18 paper clips now.
Pretty.
Yeah. I was at 17, right? Bunch of, this looks like some sort of like, almost like a calculator paper. Yeah.
Looks like that.
Yeah. Then we've got silicone nitride universal hot igniter kit.
That might be worth a little bit of money.
It might be, and it's, look at the condition.
That's
Never been
perfect.
opened. 19 paper clips. The Jack-Rat.
That could be worth money.
Hang your keys like a rock star.
Oh, okay. I thought it was actually for some kind of musical piece of equipment, but it's just a...
It's a key rack.
Just a key rack.
This would be a perfect key rack for any musician.
Yeah.
Because they're like amp
clever.
plugins.
See, I would have put that in home decor.
Yeah.
But,
yeah,
you know, in the office you hang keys too, so...
Yeah, that's cool. All right, then we have Quilting, the Quilter's Journal.
What does it look like inside? How is it the Quilter's Journal?
Pattern,
oh, wow.
Date started. You can put a picture.
That is cool.
It's like a scrapbook for quilters. That's cool.
You get all the quilting I do.
Yes. We have a quilting ministry at church.
We do. They do great job,
dry erase board markers.
I just need to keep those.
Just a few. That's a lot. Vehicle mileage book.
Cool.
What is this? Made in China. Foam wrap sheets for just extra padding for stuff. We might want to keep this for shipping.
Yeah.
Another pack too. Look at the bottom. I think Paul wins the
paperclip.
Paperclip. one. All right, what is this? This is open. More paper clips. It says it is booklet envelopes. Peel and seal. Are those... They're really big envelopes if they're envelopes. Oh, yeah. See?
Yeah, it's a huge envelope.
That is a huge... It's like a card envelope. So I've been keeping the last couple of envelope boxes just for myself. Oh, 3-ring binders, but they're clear, kind of. 1.5 inch.
Smoke glass.
Smoke glass. And another one. I see something that looks like Legos in here.
I found out where the paper clips came from.
Well, I bet there's 100 and 100. There's probably 200 paper clips in this box because there's 2 boxes of 100. Well, you got better than me. I only guessed 22. So here's another vehicle mileage book. This looks like just a memo book. Got paper in it. Little kind of binder. What is this? This is what I'm curious about. This is a refillable notebook size 100. This is a notebook.
Oh, it's a Lego notebook.
See?
Yeah.
Looks like it's lined too. Then we have Martha Stewart Crafts Translucent Seagrass Martha Stewart paint. If you use it, you will turn into Martha Stewart. Just don't go to jail. All right, clip-on badge holder.
Nice.
Not sure. Okay.
I'm very impressed with the box
no.
so far. We'll have to.
Here's more envelopes. We'll have to scan it. You never know.
Yeah,
we might actually find out that they're...
worth money.
Okay, what is this thing? Look at all those paper clips. Paper clips, anyone? All right, this is worksheet sleeves, pack of 30. Blue, yellow, orange, red, pink, and green, 5 of each color. I'm going to open it just to see what it looks like. Gotta find my box cutter that I buried underneath all my stuff. Oh, actually, no, I stuck it on the other side of the box. There. All right, so I just want to see what these look like. Okay. Come on, you can do it.
It's amazing how paper clips have worked their way into sealed boxes.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
Okay, so these are just, it's like this.
A little different than what I thought it was.
Yeah, I didn't think they were going to look like this. Oh, here.
Big covers, right?
Yeah. See?
That's cool.
They're like sleeves. Yeah, so I guess you hang them or something. Or you can put like a D-ring and now they're like an instruction booklet kind of thing. These are kind of neat. Like stuff you want to keep handy.
What were they called again?
They are worksheet sleeves, pack of 30. 5 blue, 5 yellow, 5 orange, 5 red, 5 pink, 5, yeah.
Huh.
So, all right, well, that's what's in the box. We're going to go through and price everything and see, did we make our $84 back? And did we make any profit? And if you want to see what we're going to price it for, then we're going to price it for.
Give it a guess?
I think we're going to make, I'm hoping to make the $84 back in an additional 80. So I'm going to say we're going to be at 160. What do you think?
Say we're going to be at 100 total.
Okay, he thinks $100, so he thinks we're going to have to do all this work and only make 20 some odd dollars. $16. Whatever. I don't do math. All right. That's what a calculator's for. All right, so anyway, here we go. We're going to price away. Ta-da! It's all priced. All right, we're going to go through all the prices and how much we'll be selling everything for. So this composition notebook, $5. Then we have the box of 8.5 by 5.5 sheet protectors, $5. Then we have the quilting journal, $15. Then we have the pack of dry erase markers for $5. This was transfer paper for $10. Heat transfer paper. This is like the foam padding for $5 a pack. There's 2 of them there. And then we have $5 for the purple cardstock. Then we have $10 for the 5-pack of 9 by 12 canvases. Then the cool key rack holder that uses like amp jacks to plug it in, $10. And then we have the silicone nitrate universal hot surface igniter kit for $10. Then we have the Lego journal for $5. We have another journal there for $5. Then we have the rolls of, it looks like calculator paper to me, 2 1/4 inch by
85 feet.
85 feet. Wow, that's a long roll of paper. $5 there. And then we have both of these boxes of envelopes are actually $15 a piece. So that they're actually self-sealing ones. So those are actually a really good deal. Then we've got the smoke glass twill 3-ring binder. That's 1.5 inches, $5 each, and there's 2 of them there. Then we have the cool sheet protectors, $10 there. Then we have the Bible verse stickers pack for $5. We've got the ink cartridge going to Amazon. We'll make $30 after fees on that. It's actually selling for $40. Then this is going to go on to Amazon. This is a clip badge holder. It's like one of those ones you put behind your police officer badge. $8 is what we'll get on Amazon after fees. And then we have both of these vehicle mileage recorders. The 2-pack is going to sell for $5. So we're going to sell them together as a 2-pack. We do have the Martha Stewart paint that we're just going to throw into a craft lot. Unless you want it. It's sea glass blue. So all of this added together, remember, we spent $84 on the box. We came out to $198. So I was closer than Paul, which let's take off the 84. So our total profit is $114 on this 888 Office Supply Lots box. So hopefully it's been fun to watch this unboxing. And of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory? How to create my first listing? How to sell my items? And then, of course, I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below.
Hey guys, hookedonpickin.com is still open, so if you'd like to buy anything from Hooked on Pickin, go ahead and check it out. Maybe it's the new year and you want to try something new. If you're interested in reselling, I also offer consultation calls and a bunch of reseller resources on my hookedonpickin.com page, so check it out. Also, if you're not yet a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, notification bell, so you always know when I put a video out, and become one of the followers.